it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with it's me, NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you just to share some tips on how to prepare your skin for fall or the colder seasons. If you are interested in seeing this video, then you stay tuned. Usually in the colder months, fall is I love fall, but my skin, when the season starts to change, I can tell because my skin starts to change. First thing that I like to do, I like to exfoliate. Now, you guys that's been with me for a while know I am extremely high on exfoliate. If you notice your skin has a dull appearance, then 9 times out of 10, it's time to exfoliate. When your skin looks lifeless and just dull, sometimes have a grayish overcast over it, it's time to exfoliate. One of the best exfoliations that I love to use, you can use like the St. Ives and things like that, but I have been using lately just a sugar scrub that I make myself. I will put the link in the description box below of the video that I talk about, just a regular sugar scrub. It really cleanses your face, and sugar has a bunch of ingredients and helps your skin as it is, but I will link that in the description box below. But I like to exfoliate. I exfoliate and remove all of that dead skin that's really making your face appear lifeless and dull. When you do that at least twice a week, you will notice a big difference. Now, for extreme dry skin, you may want to do it once a week or once every 2 weeks. It just depends on your skin. I have bone dry skin. Lately, my skin, since I've been doing a lot of really treating my skin with tender loving care, I see a big difference in it. So it seems like it's beginning to get normal combination type a little bit. So yeah, but what I do is I exfoliate the first thing. Then I apply my serums, I apply my hyaluronic acid, my vitamin C serums, which I will link all in the description box below, and I link another video where I talk about all the products that I use. But this is just some tips on just getting your skin, how to prepare it for this dry season. So the next thing that I actually do, once I do all of that, I cleanse, I do tone, I do the serums, I moisturize. Find a really good moisturizer. There are several different moisturizers. I used to use the Glam Glow, which is really good. It hydrated my skin, but it was really expensive, and I'm going through tons of this moisturizer because I use it day and night. But I found one that's really more affordable that I maybe buy 2 and 3 bottles at a time, which equals up to that 1 bottle of that Glam Glow. It does great, don't get me wrong, but it's the Neutrogena, and it is the Hydro Boost for extra dry skin with hyaluronic acid in it as well. It's affordable. It's maybe about $16. I've seen it up to $19, but I will put the link to the one that I purchased. It's one that I purchased, I think it ended up being maybe $25, but it came with 2. But if I can't find that, I would definitely put the link for the 1 jar. I love it. It really hydrates my skin. If your skin, and at nighttime, I may use this as well, but I also apply for extra dry skin when my skin, when that moisturizer is still not doing its thing and my skin still feels parched, I'm going in with my Shea butter, and I use this at night as well. It just seals everything in. I use this under makeup, everything, and it does not clog your pores at all. I love Shea butter. I use it on my body as well as my face, especially in those winter months where your skin is just chapped, it's chafed, Sometimes with dry skin, it's irritated because it's trying to find some kind of moisture, and it will act out on your skin. Shea butter. If you read the instructions on shea butter, it actually tells you right here, it says 100% natural, thick and rich shea butter. It is enriched with vitamin D, needed to hydrate and rejuvenate all types of skin. It helps with wrinkles. It helps with fading areas that look dark spots on your skin. So shea butter is wonderful for the skin. I grew up on this. My mom, if you see my mom, she looks nowhere near 70. This is basically all she uses for her moisturizing. Her skin is beautiful. So yes, shea butter is my go-to as well. When my skin is really, really dry and I'm using foundations, I will apply this first as my moisture. I apply my moisturizer, but then I'll add a little bit to my face as well, and then go in with my primer, and then my foundation, and it works wonderful. Keeps my skin hydrated all day long, really. So yeah, these are the tips. And if you also I meant to tell you with exfoliate, I like to exfoliate at nighttime before I go to bed. Sometimes, I think it's best to exfoliate at night. You can in the daytime, but at night when your skin has a little bit of time to breathe, like to rest, and you can moisturize it, add your shea butter to it, and just have it rest a little bit, and then in the morning proceed as normal. And also I like to use my Conair. I cannot find I forgot the name of my other one. I cannot find it, but I just ran out and got a little cheap one, which really helps get in there and scrub and really just cleanse and exfoliate your skin and get that. I'm all about getting that, removing that dead skin, guys. That's the main issue with dry skin, I believe, is removing this dry skin, removing the buildup that's clogging the pores. That's some of the things that I believe aids with this dry skin. This is how I prepare my skin for these cool months, which I love, but I have to prepare my skin. So anyway, guys, I hope this has been helpful for you. If it has, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Also, you can go on over and check out my website, NeeCJae.net. I always talk about different things over there as well: skincare, hair, growing older, things like that mature skin issues that we deal with just as mature women. So yeah, that is dedicated and focused to us. Okay, so yeah, go on over and check that out. Like I said, I will put everything that I use in the description box below, and links and videos of my previous videos where I talk about skincare, of course. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna stop rambling because I can ramble. Thank you so much for tuning in. Peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye.